What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about ARC Document Solutions. That's ARC Document Solutions with the ticker symbol ARC. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. So guys, ARC Document Solutions today is trading at $3.84. It's slightly down at negative 0.52%. Now, if you go to fintel.io, it will tell you that the short interest float is 1.03%. Off-exchange short volume of 110,420 shares. Off-exchange short volume ratio of 65.67%. Now, if you go to MarketBeat, it will tell you that, okay, so we go to your chart. All right, guys, so it will tell you that for 5-day performance, it has a negative 0.78 performance. In a 1-month performance, it has 0.53%. But in a 3-month performance, it has a 12.35%. Year-to-date performance of 99.14% and a 1-year performance of 69.78%. So guys, we have an article from ETF Daily News regarding ARC Document Solutions, and you guys might find this interesting. It says here, ARC Document Solutions sees large growth in short interest. ARC Document Solutions was the target of a significant growth in short interest in March. As of March 31st, there was short interest totaling 339,900 shares, a growth of 22.4% from March 15 total of 277,800 shares based on the average trading volume of 2,200 shares. The short interest ratio is currently 2.2 days. Currently, 0.9% of the shares of the stock are sold short. Okay, guys, so short interest is usually if you go from website to website, if you go to Ortex, if you go to Fintel, these are self-reported data. But okay, we can compare that to what I was saying a while ago according to Fintel. Okay, guys, so according to Fintel, the short interest is 339,911 shares. Currently, today, as we speak, it's April 22nd. So this article is from April 19. So it is slightly the same, right? 339,900. If you go here, 339,911. So it is slightly higher, guys. Okay, now you can see here that the short interest ratio is 2.2 days. So if every people that shorted the stock, they have 2.2 days to cover. Okay, so you can clearly see that here, and it says 2.12. So now, guys, this is possible a short squeeze scenario if you are looking for that kind of play, guys. So, short squeeze scenario is some growth scenario. I'm gonna tell that to you. How come? I want to know. If you guys want to know, how cool is the chart of ARC Document Solutions? This is my 3rd time covering ARC Document Solutions. Time and time again, guys. I am proud to say that ARC Document Solutions is one of those stocks that is very, very resilient, and it has a large potential to the upside. Shares of NYSE ARC traded up $0.05 during trading hours on Tuesday, reaching $3.85. The stock had a trading volume of 187,688 shares. So meaning, guys, there's not a lot of people trading this stock. So it's not easily noticeable. Plus, there's not a lot of shares for this stock. We're going to check that later in the charts. Compared to its average volume of 158,475. The company has a current ratio of 1.49, a quick ratio of 1.37, and a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.41. The firm had a market cap of $166.34 million and a price-to-earning ratio of 18.10 and a beta of 1.34. So it says here, ARC Document Solutions last announced its quarterly earnings on Wednesday, February 23rd. So that's somehow a few months ago. The business services provider reported 0.06 earnings per share for the quarter. The firm had a revenue of $69.25 million during the quarter. ARC Document Solutions had a return on equity of 5.91% and a net margin of 3.36%. The business also recently announced a quarterly dividend. So guys, this is also a dividend stock, which will be paid on Tuesday, May 31st. Shareholders of record on Friday, April 29th. So that's 7 days from now. If you guys want to get into the stock with a dividend, so it will be 7 days from now, will be issued a dividend of 0.05 per share. The ex-dividend date is Thursday, April 28th. This represents dividend on an annualized basis and a yield of 5.19%. The ARC Document Solutions dividend payout ratio is currently 95.24%. There you go, guys. Okay. So also guys, just to add, there's a lot of institutional investors piling into the stock. Okay. So we can go and double check that in your fintel.io. So you go to your owners. Okay, institutional owners. If you click that down, you can clearly see here there's a lot of institutional investors that are buying these shares. The recently one is James Investment Research. Okay, so you can go to fintel.io and double check that information, guys. That shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so what is ARC Document Solutions? ARC Document Solutions, guys, is a digital printing company, provides digital printing and document related services in the US. So guys, you might want to ask, how is ARC Document Solutions compared to its competitors? Okay, so there's one. I have one of my subscribers actually asked, I want to compare this stock to another stock. So guys, let's go ahead and double check that. We can go to MarketBeat, and there's a part of MarketBeat that says here competitors. So ARC Document Solutions versus STRC. STRC is currently trading positive at $4.61 by the time of this recording, guys. So it says here that ARC Document Solutions and Sarcos Technology and Robotics are both small cap industrial product companies, but which is the superior stock? We will contrast the two companies based on the strength of their profitability, dividends, community ranking, institutional ownership, risk, earnings, valuation, media sentiment, and analyst recommendations. So first, does the media prefer ARC or STRC? So normally, guys, retail investors, they love the media attention, right? They love a stock that has a huge media following, a huge media attention. They want a stock that has a lot of PRs, has a lot of Reddit mentions or Twitter mentions, stuff like that. Okay, so if you go here in the previous week, Sarcos Technology and Robotics had one more articles in the media than ARC Document Solutions. MarketBeat recorded 3 mentions for Sarcos Technology, Robotics, and 2 mentions for ARC Document Solutions. So guys, in this scenario, it is telling us that ARC Document Solutions average media sentiment score of 0.02 beats Sarcos Technology and Robotics of negative 0.7T. Okay, do analysts recommend ARC or STRC? So are you guys excited? So let's go ahead and read this. Okay, ARC Document Solutions currently has a consensus price target of $20, suggesting potential upside of 423.56%. So to all of my subscribers that is listening to this, hopefully you would think about that if you put your investment. This is not financial advice, but if you put your investment in ARC Document Solutions, we are seeing an upside of 423.56%. There you go, guys. Sarcos Technology and Robotics had a consensus price target of only $11, suggesting a potential upside of 139.13%. Given ARC Document Solutions' higher probable upside, research analysts plainly believe ARC Document Solutions is more favorable than Sarcos Technology and Robotics. Okay, so guys, that is something that you guys want to hear 100%. Okay, does MarketBeat community favor ARC or STRC? ARC Document Solutions received 244 more outperform votes than Sarcos Technology Robotics when rated by MarketBeat users. Likewise, 63.14% users gave ARC Document Solutions an outperform vote, while only 16.67% of users gave Sarcos Technology and Robotics an outperform. Okay, so we can clearly see that here in this graph, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so as I said before, guys, I am giving you, although ARC Document Solutions is not a popular stock among retail investors, hopefully in the future somebody out there will find value in the stock and this will gain popularity. First of all, this has a huge upside, so if you just put there in your portfolio, one day after a year, right, a day, sometime in the year, sometime next year, hopefully you can see the value of this video that I'm making. Okay, and second, okay, so as you can see here, guys, besides this stock growing your portfolio, we have a potential to have a short squeeze, because as you can see, there's 2 websites now that is saying that this has a possible short squeeze potential. Okay, so guys, let's go ahead and double check on our charts and see how is ARC Document Solutions doing today and what we actually see in the future days of trading. Okay, so ARC Document Solutions, guys. Okay, give me a sec here. ARC Document Solutions. Okay, here you go, guys. So currently I'm in a 15-minute time frame. I'm gonna switch that to your daily time frame. Here you go, guys. Currently you can see that the stock is red, $3.84. I did this intentionally to show you that in my next video the stock will be green. Okay, so as you can see, guys, in your daily time frame, your 9 EMA is acting as support. We have your 9 EMA is acting as support, and we have additional support with the 50 EMA, and all of those price action is way ahead of your 200 EMA. Like I said, guys, smart money like these kinds of graph because they know that this stock is just hovering in those area. Okay, so in a smaller time frame, guys, we can clearly see here that we have a very huge support at $3.68. Okay, and we have a potential resistance here at around $4.88. No, $4.18. Okay, so this is your current resistance at around that area, guys. Okay, that is in a daily time frame. As you can see, guys, the graph is very beautiful. Okay, now if you go to your 4-hour time frame, I guess this doesn't matter now, but I could humbly say that this stock is currently we will have one green candle and one red candle. Usually it's like that. So in your 4-hour time frame, by the time of this recording, it's not even, so this is a 4-hour time frame from yesterday, so most likely we might have a red day today. Okay, so in your 4-hour time frame, 3.80 is standing as your support. Okay, and your resistance is around this area, 3.95. Okay, so it will be hovering, it will just be hovering in that area, guys. So we have as you can see, I have made an inverted flag here, and it just went off the gates again. Okay, and this is my chart from my previous recording, guys. So as you can see, I charted this. There's a parallel line here, so most likely the stock will just be hovering in that area. Okay, so if you go to your 15-minute time frame, you will clearly see here, guys, very beautiful. Okay, so today hopefully I expect your VWAP to cross all over your technical indicators again. Okay, so guys, if you have questions, comments regarding ARC Document Solutions, all you have to do is to put them in the comments section below. Once again, this is your boy Don Leo Trades. If you like the information and analysis that I'm providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Okay? This is your boy Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.